కాశీ గ్లోబల్ ఛానల్ ని ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి సపోర్ట్ అయితే చేయండి.
Welcome back to day one of Thailand series. Day one in Thailand. Finally, the journey begins from Hyderabad straight to Bangkok. This is the start of crazy international trip. After a few hours touching down in Bangkok, first step on foreign land, new country, new vibes, and a completely different atmosphere all around. From the airport, the next mission was to reach Tiger Tofia in Sriracha. Got into the bus and the real road trip started. On both sides there were highways, greenery and boards in Thai language. Half I could not even read, but that's the fun of travel slowly. Bangkok city faded behind us and we moved towards Chonburi side where Tiger Tofia is located between Bangkok and Pattaya. The closer we got, the more excited I felt. First time going this near to tigers, and that too in another country. Finally, after around 1.5 to 2 hours of drive, we entered the area near Tiger Tofia, and you can already feel the adventure building up. As soon as we entered Tiger Tofia, the vibe completely changed. Huge gates, jungle style decor, and in a distance, the first tiger roar welcomed us to the zoo. This is not a normal zoo visit, this is a Tiger Tofia. The first thing we saw were the tiger resting inside their enclosures. Seeing them this close, you understand how powerful and massive they actually are. Some were just chilling, some walking slowly, and few just staring directly at the visitors. For a moment, it actually felt like little scary. Then we moved towards the feeding area. Here, tourists can feed the tigers from safe distance. Watching those big cats jump up for food is completely different experience. Reached the main event, the crocodile show at Tiger Tofia. The crowd gathered around the stage and suddenly the trainer walked in these massive crocodiles. These are not small ones. We are taking 3 to 4 meter long baits with jaws that cloud snap anything. If you want to see the full video, please check it my YouTube channel and see the full video. This is crazy video, but you will be enjoy. The trainer start with basic commands. The crocs open their mouths wide. The show timings 4 times daily around 9:50 a.m., 11:20 a.m., 1 p.m., 2:30 p.m. So plan your timings right. After the crocs, we headed to the snake zone. Yes, Tiger Tofia also has live snake shows and handling sessions. Trainers bring out massive pythons, cobras, and even some venomous ones draped over their shoulders like it's no big deal. The crowd gasps when they let tourists hold me python thick as your arm, heavy and slowly snoozing just enough to feel their power. Trained staff handle venomous snakes, but photo ops with non-venomous ones are available for extra fee around 200 to 300 baht. Perfect vlog moment, me handling a 5-meter python while trying not to freak out. Best time mid-morning shows when snakes are active. Added your from the intense snake zone, we hit the chill side, the rabbit petting area. Hundreds of fluffy white rabbits hopping around, kids feeding them carrots, and photo spots where you can hold them for cute selfies. Next, a bird arrives with colorful parrots, peacocks, strutting, and even some exotic species you won't see back in Hyderabad. They have feeding stations where birds land on your hand, grab some epic shoots here with macos on my shoulder. Great for those powerful B-roll clips in your edit. After all the animal action, we climbed up to the park viewpoint, panoramic view across Tiger Tofia that shows the massive scale of this place. You can see tiger enclosures stretching out, the show areas below, lush greenery blending with enclosures, and even distant view towards Pattaya beaches on clear days. Perfect drone shoot style overlook for your vlog into outro. From up here, the entire layout clicks. Entrance gate for left, rabbit bird zones in the middle for family, then heavy hitters like tigers and crocs towards the back. Tiger Tofia shows kick off right after opening. First Tiger show starts at 9:30 am sharp, followed by Crocodile show at 9:50 am. Then it rolls every 90 minutes. Tiger again at 11 am, Crocs at 11:20 am, launch break. Then 1:30 p.m. Tigers, 2:30 p.m. Crocs, and final Tiger show at 3 p.m. before closing at 4 p.m. Pro tip. The star attraction, Tiger Show. Trainers bring 5 to 6 adult tigers on stage for jump, rolls, and even motorcycle rides around them. One tiger rode right at the crowd, pure adrenaline. Shows it. Don't miss the 11 am on its peak, including entry fee 800 to 1000 from India via clock. Tiger for 30 to 45 minutes performance peaked with jaw-dropping stunts. You will see them jumping through flaming hoops, walking tight ropes, rolling on command, and even posing for the crowd with those intense roars that echo everywhere. One crazy moment, a tiger rides around with the trainer or they stuck commands where multiple tigers line up perfectly. It's all around strict supervision, showing years of training, but you still feel the raw power. One wrong move and it's intense. Extra thrills like target shooting to feed them mid-show. Photography and video recording are allowed during the Tiger Tofia show and it's highly encouraged for personal use and vlogs. Phone camera freely from spectator areas, no tripods or professional lighting to avoid blocking views. Flashes are typically banned during shows to prevent starting the tigers. Commercially filming requires prior persons and extra fee 500 to 2000 Thai baht, but tourist vlogs like yours are fine. Front rows give best angles, steady hand-led shoots work great. Capture slow motion rows and jumps for viral shots. Staff often pose tigers for photos post shows. What an insane day at Tiger Tofia, from the heart-stopping tiger jumps through fire hoops and croc mouth stunts to chilling with rabbit and holding massive pythons. This place has it all. The shows run like crocodile every 90 minutes, photo ops everywhere, and that park viewpoint showing the full jungle zoo scale. And I am returned to my checking Pattaya after the World Tiger Tofia Day. Finally reached Pattaya for check-in at LK Grand. Quick front test, passport scan, key card, and elevator up to the 12th floor room. Doors open to discuss beach viewpoint setup. King bed with crisp white sheet, balcony facing on the mini fridge stocked with Singa beer and snacks, plus that essential AC blasting after Thailand hit. Room tour highlights. Modern bathroom with rain shower, work desk for editing vlogs, flat screen with Thai channels, and safe for passport cash. Balcony is the star direct Gulf to half Thailand view. Waves crashing, distant walking, street lights twinkling at night, unpacked in 2 minutes. Grabbed a change beer and crashed with ocean sounds lulling me.